Hi everyone, I'm Erin Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect luscious lips using all 10 shades of the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil. As someone who struggles with chronically dry chapped lips and happens to love the shine of a lip gloss, lip oils have become a makeup collection staple for me. But what really stands out about this formula is the silky smooth, non-sticky formula. They're infused with hyaluronic acid and tripeptides for instantly smoother, plumper looking lips and up to 24 hours of hydration. We have the perfectly tapered, pillowy doe foot applicator and a very light scent. They almost smell like a vanilla peppermint treat. There are 10 stunning shades. We're going to try them all on the lips together, starting with number 101 Crystal Clear. Here we go, first shade. Ooh, that feels so nice. Now, the beauty of a lip oil versus a lip gloss is that it's really meant to just enhance your natural lips. Now, I am a gloss girl through and through, and I love a light tingly plumping moment, but the treatment, the hyaluronic acid really just takes this to the next level. This is a triple threat lippy. I absolutely love this, and we're only on the first shade. Next, we have a gorgeous baby pink. This is number 201, Milky New. My lips still feel a little tingly from the clear. Now, this is my type of shade. I love a light pink. The perfect, slightly milky, nudie pink, everyday type of shade. Let me tell you something, number 201 Milky New is giving ballerina core, Pilates princess, Barbie girl, French manicure, very classic, feminine, and chic. Next we have shade 601 Worth It. Now we're getting a little more intense, still sheer. I love how tapered the doe foot applicator is. It's so pillowy and cushiony. It feels nice on the lips, but the tip is very precise. See, now this is the shade I wish my lips were naturally. So gorgeous. It looks very effortless, yet stunning. It's going to be really difficult choosing a favorite, but I can say Worth It is definitely worth it. Now this is for all of my true nude lovers. This is number 641 Latte Glacé. I can already tell you this has the potential to be my number one favorite shade. Let's see. Oh yeah. I love. Lips look smooth, hydrated, naturally pigmented, such a beautiful color. This shade will be stunning with all of your nude lip liners, but you don't need a combo. This is the combo. It's beautiful on its own. This is number 650 Nude Macaron. Give me all of the peachy nudes. I feel like I just found my summer shade. It's a bit warmer. This shade is definitely giving me summer vacation, spring break, very happy-go-lucky sunshine vibes. I see myself wearing this shade with bronze glowy skin, maybe neutrals on the eye, a bright pop of peach on the cheeks. I think this would be the perfect lippy. Shade number 380, Rouge in Love, is a vibrant fire engine red. It looks very romantic. Let's see what it looks like on the lips. Ooh, this isn't as red as I thought it was going to be. It's more on the sheer side, which I prefer. It gives a beautiful candy-coated, very glossy, sort of candy apple look. For a red shade, this is incredibly wearable. I love how it gives a pop of color to the lips. You don't have to fuss with lip liner. You don't have to worry about it smudging all over the place or getting a little bit messy. Red lipstick can sometimes be high maintenance, but this red lip oil is perfection. This is shade 390 Cherry Cherie. Ooh, it's a bit deeper than the previous shade of red, but this is stunning. It's more of a cool-toned cherry red, which I absolutely love. I would say this is more of a blue-based red, very pretty on the lips. Again, looks very natural, like your lips but better, very glossy, very hydrating. This would be perfect for a date night or a weekend girls' night out. Next, we have shade 510 La Nuit Sparkle. Anything with sparkle in the name is enticing. Definitely has a bit more sparkle in the tube. Very mocha mousse. It's a light chocolatey brown with a hint of sheen and sparkle to it. It has sparkle in the name and it has sheen in the tube, but it doesn't feel gritty, or you can't feel little sparkle specks on your lips. It still feels incredibly smooth and like a lip oil. The sparkle is very subtle. This is such an elegant, sophisticated evening shade. Next, we have shade 485, Wine O'Clock. It's our second to last shade, but my lips are still feeling phenomenal. Ooh, and it's a goodie. It looks so smooth. This is a gorgeous color. I don't typically wear a lot of deeper berry tones. I am so impressed with this lip oil. I think because it goes on a little bit more sheer and glossy, even the deeper colors are so wearable, so versatile. Last but certainly not least, we have shade 490 Berry Jolie. It looks more intense in the tube. I'm excited about this one. Oh yeah, way more pigment. It definitely has more color payoff than the previous shades, but it was still so easy to apply. Now this is a beautiful berry. It's official, I cannot choose a favorite. I love all 10 shades. Let's quickly recap and you can let me know which one is your favorite. And there you have it. If you want to learn more about these products and find out where to buy, head to L'Orealparisusa.com. Links are down below.